In other news, the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, has released revised statistics of the murders and shootings in the zone of special operation in Mount Salem. TVJ's Giovanni Dennis has more in this report.
Last week, the police said Mount Salem had 54 murders since the start of the year. Today, revised figures show the murders at a much lower figure of 7. That was among revised figures for shootings and murders in the community that has been declared the first zone of special operations. There were 4 murders and 11 shootings in 2015, 9 murders and 10 shootings in 2016. But the police point out that the latest figures show Mount Salem, with a population of about 3,500, has a murder rate of 190 per 100,000. That is 4 times the national average. There are also 4 gangs in the community. They are the Unruly Gang, the Junglist Gang, the Temple Gang, and the Alliance. The JCF says there are also 8 minor gangs operating in and or based in the declared zone, all driving conflicts and violence, as well as creating informal and illegal systems to capture and control people and the community. The police say the gangs also exert influence outside the community. The JCF says all these factors were considered in arriving at the decision to declare Mount Salem as the first zone, and reiterates that it stands by that decision. It conceded that the original report of the JCF concentrated on violence in the police district, which is larger than the declared area Mount Salem, which is why the figures given previously were higher than the ones coming out today. The report clarified that during the presentation of the data at the Zozo press conference on September 1, murders and shootings were conflated to give a violent incident index. However, this was inadvertently presented as murders alone. Consequently, the JCF says it supports the residents' thrusts to have the data clarified. The JCF also says its data collection protocols have been reviewed and found to be sound. However, it says there is a need for stronger protocols around how data are reported and presented to the public to avoid errors and misrepresentations. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.